student te abik taka ngai khok na zikin panakila thotani ki pathan seminar career chungchanga seminar te online ni ki bola tuni hi ani thumni ta pathin ni thumni tinga ba te pui pi ka bang ma boina tuk lo jete he hunei pi zikin pathin chon amasan ki pak thui gen wi han lang tuni ta ka hin short speech ti dan deu mo i vice president pu he dan le hun pe dikka hi jema sanga chun i program hi i resource person ding hi le miss mrs ningnei thling soil conservation officer department of horticulture and soil conservation hi ama hin agriculture forestry and fisheries lam pa hung gen pi kin tin azo i program o tin ta ka i sponsor tu pu khub len mang chief of ling siphai ma chungin le ki pak thui gen wi han lang azo le technical lama e ki thu pi ama ho chungin le avela velin ki pak thui gen wi han lang chun je platform hi mang thei dinga interaction mo jilai choshanpur district te to participant te student te big tak maya interaction thei dinga ma e lak pi ki phal tak account ei bol ama account nge mat sak u gelal chung ama chung le avela velkin ki pak thu zcd minin khong gen hi hen la to hen vice president pu ka boy sun takin ama hun ladin vakchil lo ye
member taking chule participant taking langai thim now pangdon masajik chu ka camera hi pop up camera hi pop up pen hi amak thei tak lo zikin lim hi emailen ka camera pen hong bang khat thei lo ding hi ti hi kong gen chen ma sat hin tin abang chu hi le tunita ka zoom meet na hin tilai to chanpur district te hin amo hi sai thei dan ong ki sain technical lamita han lang zoom lambang lam hitale pan pina vel na hin je tiang hi ki tung thei hi ti hi tunita participant te ki amasa kuma pui dana khongge no masa di han la chule kuma pui ama banin tunita sponsor ei bol ki tu hosin le honggen pa pu khop gen mang chief of ling sepai ama hi chief of ling sepai hi bilowin zillai chanpur district hi advisor hi ti le participate king hi hong tak la ki hi het la tunita ka hi meeting na hin topic hi ei thingtang mi hi na dolin agree ti hortilam ti ho vel hi i percentage su endi hi le hin addicted chu gen thei pung ka tin na hin na more than 50% hi ei thingtang mi hi na dol hin horti le agree ti ho hi ikipik now in a seb ine le chak hol now itidim a hi ta zigin tuni tak topic hi poimo ma a hi zigin participant zo si le ki padam lo itidim zat chalo ki song la lo hi le hi tuni tak resource person ki me hitinu ai ma hi hoi dewin ei manipur le ei zillai ading hi ei pan pi thei tu a hi nge nai ti zillai te hin kelung gela zegola panong kila hi zigin po ma am lawa i het nu ma uma hi le khat be be to dile hi pu i het thim ma siu hi ni ve thum ve hi pale le vak dot jing the hi ti hi le avelin gen ti hi hen na chule zillai chanpur district in hak sat om kala hin je ho hi platform hoi tak le mi pi hall ti ho available dinga kilom hin pin lockdown le covid chungchang za chom hongom ji kin je hi hong ki sai thei lowa alo thei lowa apoi mo hi ti et sakna hi zoom meeting hi hong ki sai hi ji kin zoom meeting le live in it platform in hi aki hit na a umom lo chu amuna chi vai ki book tu thei le ki book tu thei lo chau in aki hit na hin gel hitinu je meeting na hi platform hello le apoi mo dan chule aphat chom na imu thei lo dan hi ki bang ve ka hi ti hi ka hung gen la ki thi hen la chule avela participant taking a request not to tuni beba ki chai dinga hi ko hun bang chan hem na la ya je ho hi ei ma ni pa chup na le zilai ngai na komin zoom meeting pen hi zilai te district te hin aksat na kom ka long ki bola hi zikin je participant hin ani athain hital hung bang khat ingin zilai chanpur mina request ka hung bol hi hen la gen ding sak ding poi mo ma hi le dan le resource person te to ki ho ko male hun ki dot tua ki gen tu jing the hi ti le avela azilai executive member te hi ta hen lang participant te hi tale avela ka hung gen ki hen la abang chu hi le ken ka gen the chu chan chung hin tin host pan a hun ale pan
Okay. Ki pa ko ma Zilai Vice President Churchanpur District apat Tomkin Taksan tu hong gen pe ka ama chung le ki pa thui va gen ni hen nang I hun ki pat ma de win min khat om na lai resource person hi tuni khan communication ke bumji kin miss ti na la ki ji kha jakha hi misres zo khin tin jakha iki ya thin to de hi tin jakha iki chelna danen iki ka bak gen hi lang ama hi introduction ne khat thei kham kham gen ka tin Central Agriculture University iroi siamba in fala khun BSc azowa azole master degree hi Master of Science DCKV West Bengal in azo kit boka exam ma chai chai na ma hi competitive exam lutin tu accept na hi ahung sik do hi jetule participant ding ka bak pu laki hen lang awuta hi le aman self introduction danin ahun ahun lak phal le mo ki introduce my inten gen khil gen balam dala zilai minin ke team back mai hitinun to hin e participate za pi nei nei ling ama resource person hi ki phalam lo ke ya hun la ding in tu hin ama ipe doctor hi we
ama sapena zita bang phat pha imu sagova pathin kinga ki pak thu kangena jebana chon secondly zilai committee ho chung chegin zita bang student te ngai lutna ahilo le amho gel khok na zala zita career seminar hongong te la bon cha chung chegun ki pak thu kangena ka pau he hum zel di ka he ahi chu ke chu ka hi dana hospan hungen ma chun kai chu hi le kapa chu hi le kip gen he a he kanu chu le het ma bangun puprim naunu vai pay he 50% chu ka hinama abana gendinga kasim tu nai cha kha king nei na zinei na kanaya kapusal he haukip o he ichu ahintin abana kas thim zilna langkaya chu hile gen ma bangin BSc Agri chu CAU Central Agriculture University Roisimba Kahongbola master chu hile BCKV Mohanpur West Bengal Kahongbol he pathinung sit nazalin simchai chadin MPSC conductor kitonin na tokna chu kahung pathinung sit nazalin kahung ki mupaya tuni iki het thim lo lele avel velin hum ki dong jeng mai hiti win tuni kahung lak di chu hi le a topic hi le agriculture scope and career opportunities akite again ma banguchun I think I milanka hin agriculture lanka hi khok sakpo wa hiwanga chu ilu de hi le chu align chu tamma ma jing he agriculture kiti hi banghem ti hi le ama hi Latin word akun hun kila dok he agar hi lo agree meaning to soil lay more lay seed akiti and cultura meaning cultivation akiti jichu soil cultivation agriculture hi soil cultivation hi lo field cultivation kiti he ze agriculture hi is an applied science which encompasses all aspects of crop production, including horticulture, livestock rearing, fishery, forestry. Here, zihin agoma he horticulture he animal husbandry, veterinary hitan, fishery, forestry ki gom khom he. The agriculture he is defined as an art, science, and business of producing crops and livestock for economic purpose. The agriculture he arts akitina he because it embraces knowledge of the way to perform the operation of the farm in a skillful manner. Thepna farm khat bang chu ibol hi le skillful ai lo le I thepna chu angai chama ma zinga arts hile nga hi ahe abana as a science ikiti tenga hile bangzega agriculture hi science ikiti hemtile it utilize all technology developed on scientific principle such as crop breeding, production technique, crop protection, economic, etc. to maximize the yields and profit. Bangzeg ham tiles agriculture hung kiti ting hile science utilize hung ki bol he bangzeg variety thak thak ahilo le to hal ahilo le hampalo kiti ho khule sip hungai chama ma zing he je ga chun science hi alut ma zinga chitna thepna hol ngai chat ma zing cho he new crops la variety developed by hybridization ahilo le high fertilizer responsive varieties so mu dok angai za tui at colding dan chule angaya je ga chun ale herbicides to control hampa control na dinga herbicides chule ngai he ele business ahung kiti tenga he le tulai he atam zone he diu he agriculture as a business lights aim at maximum net return through the management of land, labor, water and capital. Agriculture kiti ting phale athau tu le ngai alei sit le ngai abana sumpi capital zichu hoitaga kimangcha ba he profit earn ehlo le business langkaya chule heilu da hi kiti he scope and opportunities ihung ti teng hi le agriculture hi again ma bangun e ho thingtang langka hi imit ha he nai povin GDP gross domestic product kinesan hi le 16% hi a contribute he abana livelihood support hi le 2/3 of country population. India is an agricultural country kitile mainly at the hile bahe agriculture take paddy hilole crops hilole fruits pura mainly GDP sanga min nek holna kin aneina le ahe ale 2/3 hile hinko mi life a support hi zihin hile 58% of country workforce employment hile 58% api gahe bang employment umemti so ila all at dio he abana single largest private sector occupation he abana agriculture hin 15% of total export earning bahe raw material thil kisim for example bu hitan sugar hitan ahilole dairy mill hitan hijit ho hi export ki bol he z export ki bol hi le 15% contribute a boli akite abana allied sector etinawa horticulture he animal husbandry he amho hin economic condition he akhan to sakma mauti su akimu abana agriculture hin dynamic change ti chu alei bang macha hilo khatsu aleya bang ma beer soil ki patsu till green ahung sughinga till ahung kek doga zebana chun harvest agapa chu ahung mature ye chun bumper harvest kiti chu he zihin agriculture hin e adahile abahe community le akhan to saga mihim hin ko hi gendinga vagendinga a better social, cultural, political, and economical life ihi bakat sa gomihim le khantum na le umpu adig diga eating tang mihi hoi taga edihile pura agricultural background ki hising he kuma hon ki thau khalo le lo zihin e edahile sustainable sustain taga aki thazing zinga zowa ki patsale malza kolbu hiti hi aki vaga zihin a life status ule hal khat he asusangi ti chu iwa ki mu theyo abana the agriculture satisfactory agriculture production hin peace hi logle prosperity harmony wealth ti hole in pe ti chu aki he abana vak edinga chun vak edinga chun abana hin branches of agriculture hung ki tinga hile agriculture hin branch tam pitak aneya agronomy le agronomy kiti chu ken le master hi agronomy field management kala chai he agronomy hin hile Greek word the kon kila dok agros field akite nomos nomos to le management akite ichun atang pi field management here is agronomy hin it deals with the production of various crops which include food crops, fodder crops, fiber crops, sugar, oil seed, etc. The aim is to have a better food production and how to control the disease here. Abana horticulture hin atile amahile Latin word akon hortus meaning garden and cultura meaning cultivation, mainly garden cultivation kiti horticulture. So it deals with the production of fruit, vegetable, flower, ornamental plant, spices, condiments, and beverage here. Abana forestry zito hile agriculture no branches here. Forestry hunkiti tingale deals with the production of large scales of cultivation of perennial trees for supplying wood, timber, rubber, etc. Animal husbandry deals with the animal husbandry heading a veterinary langkai deals with the agriculture practice of breeding and raising livestock in order to provide food for human and to provide power and manure for crops. Abana fishery deals with the practice of breeding and rearing fish, including marine and inland streams, prawn, etc., in order to provide food, feed, and manure. Agriculture engineering deals with farm machinery for field preparation. Akite ihet mabango tulai tractor he power tiller ho kabuta ho ahung he zilai zihin zitho hile simtheina he home science hile deals with application and utilization of agriculture produce zithin bak heading achu hile pickles ho kisim ze home science no ya hikizil kita he ele agriculture course overview iti bang hile agriculture course he tu bang chu class 12 sai hile bang ti isim de ham ti bang chu course dinga hile eligibility candidate here hile ASTR dinga chu not less than 50% class 12 science zo te ngaya PCM hilo le PCB PCMB ho angaya zihi 4-year program he 8 semester akila he abana it provide knowledge, practical skills, and competency in agriculture ahikida abana zihin izil nading ahile degree program for admission through ICAR. ICAR kiti is the apex body here for conducting, guiding, and managing research and education in agriculture in the entire country under the aegis of Department of Agriculture, Research and Education, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare Nanoya, the ICAR hin exam. All India entrance examination for agriculture zihi conduct bola he. For example, to class 12 bang ichai taga hile, the degree program he 2 lai tak hile August ka het hilole. tulai tak hile a form ki home hi ICR in ale zinoya degree program ki mu ho hi bang hem iti hile BSc honors agriculture ahe abana BSc honors horticulture ahe abana bachelor of fishery science bachelor of science forestry ahe abana bachelor of science community science abana food nutrition and dietetic bachelor of science sericulture bachelor of technical agriculture engineering bachelor of BTech Dairy Technology, BTech Food Technology, BTech Biotechnology. Zitho hi admission ki mu thei hi ti chu het lang a uma abana career scopes and opportunities of agriculture graduate ahung ki ti teng hile amasa BSc ichai phalahin boldi the government provides like the BSc agriculture graduates like have ample job opportunity in the government as well as private sector here to amasa Kolkata kawasima chu kaloi tile kolte ho chu general sangin je professional line hi aludo abana BSc na tokna ki hol ho chu akizik thu jeng he kon kha chun sang pitak chu akisima hila kon khaden specialist akilu jego chu specialist na tokna chu aki hol pai payo gending achun banking langkaya hunle IBPS AO ahilole SO kiti IBPS specialist officer hilole agriculture officer khat umaziko specialist subject nei ho BSc veterinary hilole agriculture horticulture fishery ti ho vel bowin abol thei khat a he zikho akibolule competition khule to mintin adek dega ei thingtang mi te adinga chu chance hoi he gending acho for example if you complete a BSc nangin state government hovel bangle assistant agriculture officer hole labol the KVK no yale research assistant project associate field assistant hotele labol the he abana banking langkai chu idlu le tan ka genta IBPS specialist officer ho he abana agriculture officer he rural development officer ho chule jitho chule banking to insurance sector no ya latok the he abana central or state government competitive exam hin e kida hile to IFS Indian Forest Service to Hovel Bangpule right after your completion of BSc agriculture forestry veterinary la bolzing the he the IBPS specialist officer le abana state forest exam le lapik thei pa ya he nabat exam nabat grade A exam le he abana ICAR Indian Council of Agriculture no ya hole administrative officer bang ho project associate ti hovel ki hol bang le la kilak thaya abana Food Corporation of India FCI FCI hun le na tokna BSc la chaile lucky bolzing thei pa ya a professional course late ading a chun chance hoi mama kaloi tele BSc ki chayun akimule a umo abana gending a chun production manager to operation manager in fertilizer unit hal kiti urea ho ihedima bangun ahilole potas ahilole sulfate ti ho hal kiti ho velbang fertilizer kiti ho velbang chule company umahe he di khachun tu tadi Indian Fertilizer Company kiti IFCO khule uma loite ho velbang chu BSc chayule je company ho vel hin a salary ule gending achu hoi mama jing hi wajitho hin fertilizer company hi ki enroll ahilole service akimu pai jing he agripreneurship ba gending a seed technology farm dan igenta science angai chana to seed technology farm muchi ailole thai chimu ti ho sin kiti hile a local a hilowa hybrid kibola hybrid variety holes farm tam tak he zithovel bang chun le na tok na iki hol thei pai pai hi ti chu kawak het sak noma abana research center in India for BSc agriculture research center hile tam tak he agriculture research center he wak het thei ding khada chun Indian Agriculture Research Institute pusa ho he abana Agriculture Finance Corporation FCI National Seed Corporation Limited kiti ho via hile z research center ho hinle BSc ichai hile alampi chu alampi chu ichai hile na tokna I hol nom imu nom hile akimu thei pai ti chu kawak gen noma abana academic pursuit after BSc Agriculture atile. For example, nangin BSc Agriculture la chai zowa na la tok nom la wahile aban le la sim theina uma amasa kagenta UG program to ICAR Indian Council of Agriculture Research in abol to khale state in le hola private institution le la sim noma la sim theya he state in le to la he entrance exam ala po merit list mi selection abolo he tu bang chun nangman BSc la chaya na tokna lamu no mahile dana ka gen ho ka hintin in case if you want to pursue more lasim nom he hile BSc BSc chaya chun master to Indian Council of Agriculture Indian Council ICAR in conduct abola jichun nangma specific course dana igen ma banga agriculture agronomy ke hepoi entomology to insect langkai kisim he plant pathology to bahe thai chi bahe anat na ho kisim he je plant pathology azat line he e course omaita BSc chai phale jikhun I thanop na line to ki tu ga ki chu sa he je bang khu exam ICAR exam la pe ga ho nangin master ading achu nangma course la ki chu second agronomy to kagen ma bang khan field management pa ga ki chu sa he je la ki chu sa chun nangma to ICAR in exam a conduct na chu la pe ga hi le ST a first long le la scholarship bang chu le 12,000 thakada 12,000 to government in hung piding a he to ICAR conduct no ya exam khala through BSc chu sangthum thum apiwa master chu sangsom le ni apiwa abana je ICAR je all India competitive exam to PhD aban MSc chaya PhD isim kidinga hile all scholarship award scholarship to lazilna to scholarship so first year 32 tabang bidding first to second year the third year up to 35,000 so akipe he abang yichu ama ema he but then to MSc la chaya net la chai hile agriculture MSc la chaya net hola through a hile to agriculture scientists ho kulela kizik the he zihu agriculture scientist recruitment board in Allah the under the department of ministry agriculture ministry and welfare hikida zikun agriculture scientist hi bang amun mun hikida he in case abana administrative officer ho vialela kizik thei kida to MSc zo phatle MSc la chai zo phatle le na bat grade B exam ho kulela pit theita abana nangin PhD chai ka if you can assistant professor ilole professor college institution to atang pi heading achu I think tang ading hi agriculture ki baklo wanga kol lak ading achu adig Punjab lak ading achu farmer ho chu alin alal pen hikido hijikun mi technique college institution all over India umjing hi jichun jitsun lucky at theyu hi ti chu ka gen pik noma abana va gending achu kaloi master ka simkhon pilayun kolte hi chance hi amo hi gampam chi di hi atup jingjing o hi in a guide pa to alole lampi aki holo PhD of a bole umu ahilole na top na gampam ki hol na le ahoya hoya hi adik digin a India hi developing country hi zegin idei banghin achal po hilele Germany kiti ho kun agriculture hi asang he alok le hoya hoya he zebana chun eima ithano bahile ithano bahile gampam chi na dingle chance o umi ti chu cover again big he PhD either you wanted to pursue PhD you can also opt for master degree in agriculture or explore more numerous promising job opportunity with an international degree here ziziga to agriculture bang he kaichun ka gelding achun professional line he kadai sak ma zinga veterinary ke hepoi horticulture ke hepoi general line sanga chu ilu ta ga hile chu as professional line khada ka ludin zi ka bolte te nga ye kiti chu tuk pa chu alampi chu i hola chu alampi chu general sanga ki mu ka sazo zi chun a hi thei chana adik dekin gam pam kina sana chu le khalat thiba la bol hoya la guide pa to hoi taga la ki kop zinga hile gamdanga asimo adigdiga Punjab ho vela hun agriculture sim ho atam zo hu gampa ma si ahiwa ai adingal kele MSc ka bol lai khan ka loinu khat Uganda ki patsa master hong bol amanle po dokta ho bangzi gazlai tak hin jing la hiwem ate ai adingal very challenging khat he ji ga chun itup ibidoi itup ibidoi akichi ga hile lampi chu aki hongi kati thu chu he abana screen hi thei chanin ki share le chu ka sak dikhat nal tak khat uma hi to career guidance hi ze ga chun agriculture scopes and career opportunities ka gen chu ji chan chu hin lang ka va gen mum phat chu le student te ken ka va gen mum chu le mi hi step wise college himka high school hiwa bana college hiwa hiti step by step process hi kinai so ke he a first aka education he abana I career he abana ho hi khat dei bo kinai hi in step khat it abana cha ichi lo hi le kinum ko ki thailo khat hi ze ga chun step ban cha hin education career wise hin first comes education career teacher job na tokna independently hi phat le independently part hi le then you look for love and after that when you are independent then you go for marriage here stepwise khat he follow angaya athu pi pe na chu va gending ake a bang chule agriculture bang hile ka first priority sam cha hi po ke kha veterinary lung lut ke he because I feel animal don't complain and status pa khale doctor hi thau ka tile ka in saktele veterinary hi khan veterinary ngai khok mama ke hin la till he behave gending a main plan his course but the Lord determine his footstep atima bangin coaching ka hungla ahile pathin king ka ki pau chapna kha kamu pen khat kha ka kilak ding ka tile agriculture lampi hung ki honga MBBS kha waiting list ka hung he kamu pen su ka che hila kanung et ki dinga hile kisikna chu ompo pathenin thil he amu toksa a he toksa mi ama puijing zenga he je ka chun Jeremiah chapter 29 verse 11 to 13 ma bangkon for I have the plan for you declares the Lord the plan to prosper you and not to harm you akiti ma bangin you will find me you will find me if you seek me with all your heart akite je ga chun hi thei chana chapang te nau pang te khong hil nom chu hile Steve Hart Banecha Ichina Wahin distraction hi atamma ma zinga adik diga khanglai te he khadve chapang hokinga steering kabolna hin khu hi chapang hin khu khangdong hi le chom cha bo hi la chi hil hi le anung le ting le ki sig ding la chi khag hi le lanung e ting le la ki pa ga pathin king ki pa thu le gen di tin ma bang chun ikirier hi hoi de wa ki chu sangaya ei ma chi na he thep na nu le pa ki do da pathin ki do da kal son di ti pa chu ka dei saga i chu hintin scale screen sharing ham khat ki bol thela chu nok chu sama ma di ke he le lam kai parking kha hung share katin ale en le chun le het lo chu ke hung ki do theu he ba he employment hi opportunity khang thak te chapang hua ding hin hak chu hak ma bangjek hem tile e dei banga ki god ki moti umpoi wanga central langkai wang chu bank ka gen ma bang khan bank hilo le kvk ka hepoi hilo le icr ka hepoi ithip na ga hile central chu pura state asang chu hoi chu ka sak zo ga he
tu ka koi song da depend hi tu bang hap thim mai thei he le la dei don ho thei dan dan ni don ho fisheries hi fisheries exam direct ati le lowin ke he mo me fisheries exam mo
fishery exam hi kema he danin ICR in mo bachelor of fishery science te akonda ga hi ka he ai chu fishery department hi a ale thowa tu ting hin wang chu state din ako bang ti le ke po veterinary chu ka he horticulture hi le ako wo fishery hi ka he po tu ICAR chu ahidem
adil oceanography lam hi hi bang to ki sai de he at least some basic idea hi amat thei ding tu ti dan de khat ve kha kham ve long ki la kha ke he kha mo ka be hin bangol kha thei ding om
oceanography
tu
atang pi hi marine langkai ho England fisheries ho hung hi hi mo
tu adil mo tu agriculture hin tu MBBS bang tu mi khathong ki prepare ta mo for example atile ama kha kum let's say 2 to 3 years akhale hong success ta loi chu hong success lo hi le ji kha ama ading a hin BSc a hi lo hi le banga ham below MBBS ti mai hi te mo anui vela option tam export he mai chu mala atile then ding a hin ji a subject ala simu kha ala ki prepare pe no kha mo a relevant thawem agriculture to kis
relevant mamai relevant totally veterinary label theyu mo gending to forestry label theyu agriculture label theyu tu atang pi hi gending hi emite hin ichi home pi khat ichi home pi sago hi wangkin ka dei sakchu ikumle tam tak waman sakding katina dik chule hi pu igol itup mo igol pa hi I target pa hi ikise bakum hile zezat wel bang kisumang hen vakti ding align who first MBBS ikoi bang abana veterinary agriculture elo le fishery ti align who ikikoi elo le BSc nursing kaloi tele MBBS abolo amulo hovel bangin BSc nursing aims hovel elo le negrims hovel akimo batu ho nursing officer ngene hitawa mo je ga chu khatpen hi wangol pi a hilawa I target pa ikisiba kumje zat mansak katen kamulo le ji bol ding kiti banga ema la ema al khat I target pa ibidai pa kichik le hoi dem
ki pa ko me atile tu hi mo question pakhat ang ki donga forestry hi physics chemistry biology ti lo adang compulsory subject umdiam alo le forestry chu PCB te aham hi lo le
forestry hi science hintin mo PCB te ngai
PCB te ngai di mo
Zizi ka chu tu
Gena
science to agriculture veterinary kiti ho hile PCB. For example, PCM machu hile mo agriculture engineering farm machinery langkai hu ithanok le ziku ki bol the.
atile tu nang le exam la lut na ho hi ahak sa am chapang tia ding challenging thodi alo le hung lut di bang le bangun ki aki prepare ding
Bakhare chu hi Manipur Public Service Commission in mo a conduct gazetted post abulakha 2015 ka assistant agriculture officer ahung lagu mo zihintin objective ngene hintin a basic ikihet da hi le so a hakpoi a basic concept mo agriculture isim ho objective hintin to a kiting a chuile tu ta di hi competitive hi hung sang ma di hita ahung ki ko kit bang hi le so zikto ho zo hung hidem instead of objective mo
isai tai pa mo
to Manipur Forest Service ho akiko ho tabang ako mo
atile nang a patin zilai te sim lai te ti den student te advice bang ipi ku to mem adang nang le khala sim lai lang struggle dan vel at contacting mo for example la khading ho la nei hi le e wak gen pi kan ki pa ko min
ai cho mi him hi va gending a cho tup hi angai ma mo ibidoi I lo le target pa hin nei angaya bangjing hem ka gen ma bangin khangdong te hi distraction ai lo le asuboi di hi atam ma zenga ai adik diga ai thing tang mi te hi kon khat doctor hi no mama insung zo lo le kon khat chu zo di mama ai la amin zil lo khara ahin le itup le idoi pa chu I insungin azil ahipo ema a kinga ngaya mo ei chunga kinga ma he itup tak tak hi le chu kimu ahe ahi wanga chu ema mihing hi na thip na wang chu competitive eva chi ting hi le chu haksa hin tin ji ga chu ka gen ma banga a man plan his course but the Lord determine his footstep ti ma bangin pathi ithanop na khat abidoi pa chu in le ki go ding el pathinin alampi ko muding pa pathina bahe I plan ho kha I surrender to kha angaya eya bangle ka gen ma bangin agriculture was not my first priority mo but then the Lord opened doors and I took in and to he evak at nunga so when I look back like I thank the Lord for guiding me and leading me to the right direction mo but gending so a doctor ho so evak bakhat na hilawa aina tok pathinin ei chan bidoi he ahe kati cho ahe zizi gachun pathin he enle tup hitin itup na dung zuya pathin kinga pidok hitin zidung zuya alampi hun ki mu papa sumle pa I haksat ting hilele pathin king I pau chap hile lampi hun ki hongin tin itup pa I mawang ikichi ga dit takna ineya ibidoi ikichi na ga hile itup chu pathin lungsi din pathin zalin akim mol polowa galzona ki changi ti choka gen nom he
question khatang lu tamo lekha tum le pai lu dan ne khat long gen thei ji ti question au ma je hi
agriculture hi gen ma bangin to ICAR central in a conduct state in a conduct kiti ho hi ke ho lai dik ken ka sim lai dik khan pura ki manjing he ke le je ICAR exam hi true ka he mo je ka true lai khan ka semester khada chu a fee structure kha only 700 he ale tu hi ka junior te ho ka dot le semester khada hi sangli hem sanga hem hita to je true exam loting ho chamo I mean central ale umintin state ale umintin central ho ahi kiman dik chat ki da he kiman he to adik diga Central Agriculture University ho a central exam ho he true he le kiman he state in le state quota to le thawa mo aman chu agriculture he wang in case if you want to pursue in private institution like Dehradun Allahabad ti hovial chu aman tam ki da he mo a fee structure chu for example kakai khak lo je ga chu le ke he pu hi le minimum of semester ka da he 40-50 hovial a hi dem chu tho hung hi di he
estimate mo gena khop
jichu a he vagending chu lekha ithiba ibol theina ga hi le chu state in akonda ga hi lo le ICR in akonda khovel bang kumo ikizika in a fee structure hole umintin a fee structure hole umintin akiman pen ek choose the he
nang kai na fi bang zat vele dia ting chu
ke kaina khamo Central Agriculture University khamo tu ta di hi if you go to ICR exam hi lo state la through hi le tu ta di hi semester khada hi sangli he sanga he de
semester gate la te mo 8 semester okay so 32 say between 30 to 40 value di dana students la he tu zakha ma huna ta hi no hu bang khat le chun na fi le ne khadang kal mai thei so let's say 50
akum dung zue hi mo like kal check ti ta bang
so aki prepare khala umule 50,000 lak velung hi mai thei tu say mo after 3 years la ICAR AIEEA mo ading a hin NCRT hi a hoi pen dia ti question
if the competitive fading hi ke he chinda nin le tuition coaching he milak le je base aku ki hil tho hin mo ken le hoi chu kasai
NCRT si hoi sa mo okay zakha la he la NCRT le khabu khan ya khada le refer mai lang azole ICAR info la khu zehi chu bangkhat state amo
SI2 ICAR info te khul meite tele bahe lamkai na noi khat hintin mo to hile state in government hilo ICAR in alak lut hilo win higher fee bangti hem ama own individual lo le private lut ading in higher fee ati pegun zikhule entrance di dana ka he for example, if you get into admission more through ICAR or state hiletu la fee structure to name ding, but then nanga private tabang lava simno mahile fee structure khatam ding ita bang ko
dan chu asit vacancy hi government or state quota minus of le open category dan de
yes
lateral entry dan mo dakhala het tin che tu nan aling hi le ICAR tihin type mai leu mu mai lo di hi mo aling hi hung da mo
ICR tin bakhat leu chun ICR.com tin bak en leu chun le Indian direction hung pitaven
ati le last question to bang ICAR chu PG ale umai mo
postgraduate he ka het china chu nangin botany mo ahilo le zoology ting la sima hi le chu postgraduate ading kha postgraduate ading kha nangin plant pathology ho la bol the mo ti ting kha ai wang chu competition kha ta fei ta chu bagzik hem tile BSc asim khak lo hi lo le khadang hum sim ki diu hin tin mo je ga chun agriculture a ethanop ta ga hi le right from the very beginning BSc isim to pek chu hoi kasai
okay bangkhat pen hi private institute azil ho to government institute azil ti hi a prospect aki hik na di o
ki hik na lo I hit na bo so matupi
zakha ai chu zakha ala he chinin tinun azole last question hi suppose I got selected into Indian Forest Ranger. Okay. What is the probability of working on other foreign countries as a ranger? Tidak question hong ki dang
foreign है forest ती है
Can the forest zo
जी तो kay bang chun fa India sunga forest ito kahile for Indian Foreign Service a hilo nga la cho forest ako na gamdang forest chu hitay samdingin sun kaging chapoy bangje hemiti hile a department pa mo amho forest gam pa ma vasimding ti chu kahethem poi kele
question hi neo khat bang khat do hi na Indian Forest Ranger ti hi neo khat aumin leken
Indian Forest Service ti eventen
Indian Forest Service zo kin koi pi mai hi ti ole atila Forest Service te chu bang khat lamin lu thei dio foreign valley na posting thei dio ti hi da nei question chu vak frame do mai
ken leze idea cho kanai sampo ahibanga so tu tadi kawak mu chit ka head dana a senior te atong ho ka dana so tu tadi hitte he foreign service hile chu gam pam ma kichi kitol ti ho pu thaw mo Indian Foreign Service ka ko forest awang he tu chana chu ka henai poi lo hidem
azil de utule thuchu ma hi no in service as le mai thei hi je ra chu foreign a chi ha kule je chu hin tin a service zong awang chu a forest vel chu hong hi lo mo chu da abang nalai dio thak lo hi le nalai dio participant lama pat question direct question le to jing thei o ke thu se lo le ki su la lo de Okay, atile talo gun koi tin nang atop na di thu la ge nu te hi le khat le ni sentence khat le ni hung ge ni na tin pha tu le hun chai na lam sai ti ole
keimo
how to know
now pangte konggen utrile la sim now la zil now ba no ho le bidoi kitu kichek na in khu hidit tak na lampi zodon lang pathin gingin lama lampi like I wish you all the best for your future endeavor mo like wish you all every successful career ahead mo thank you
ki pa ko me zil lai dam so hen ki pa ko me resource person no pi Mrs. Zaum tak ama hi tu hi bangkhat program bitil tak ne hi le ngai ho ka hong join pi ka mo ama chung avel in resource person no kin ki pa khui wa gen ne zek sidi minin ki pa khu ken avelin kong pong ki
le ka ki pa
ten participant hu kom zo si tele achung ki pa khu gen hen lang zinga ding program hin ya khatung sim lang ni tin zinga program di hi le 6:35 ki pan 6:30 ki pan 6:30 ki pan di 6:15 dela login thein tin marsi khaute assistant professor Delhi University ding hi ama hin lo lampang mo tu dan lampang lo le chief justice bang ti kai diam judge bang ti mudiam ho hong gen ding hi mass communication and journalism mo reporter ho vel ko le he tu le bangola course lak hem jo khong gen ding hi je ka chun student te zilai te big takin available ni ki chil so no hen lang a top chan program pang tung dingin participant te khale ki pa thu gen comment ko chiu na le comment ko gen zo le gen hiu gen pa om le la khe team tu zel he ten mo ki pa ka ome le
le
mang pa ti le
mang pa la bon non